This is part 5 of a 5-part series on AI literacy. One of the clearest signs of literacy with any tool is knowing when and how to stop using it. AI is no exception, but most people don't think about disengagement as a skill. They think more use means more mastery. That assumption is wrong. With tools this fluent, stopping well is part of competence. Here's the misconception: that if an interaction is productive, comfortable, or clarifying, continuing it must be beneficial. But productivity does not automatically mean agency, and clarity that never hands control back is not clarity. Here's what's actually happening. AI interactions tend to feel open ended. There's no natural stopping point, no friction that signals closure, no requirement to disengage. So use extends by default, not because the user intends dependency, but because nothing marks the end. This is how tools become permanent without anyone choosing permanence. Endless availability is not neutral. It reshapes behavior. The failure mode here is habitual reliance. AI becomes the place you think first, the place you process most, the place you return to by reflex. Not because it's better, but because it's always there. At that point, the tool isn't assisting cognition, it's occupying it. AI literacy requires explicit exit skills. You do not wait until the interaction feels unhealthy. You disengage by design. Stopping is not a reaction, it's a rule. Here are concrete exit practices. First, end sessions deliberately. When a task is complete, stop. Do not extend the interaction just to see. Second, transfer conclusions out of the system. Write them down. Say them out loud. Make them yours. Third, create cool-down periods. If you've used AI to structure thinking, step away before acting. Let your own cognition reassert itself. Fourth, notice reflexive return. If you feel the urge to reopen the tool immediately, that's not efficiency, that's habit forming. Disengagement is not loss, it's re-ownership. Tools that never require exit blur the boundary between assistance and substitution. The goal is not continuous use. The goal is selective use. AI should be something you enter intentionally and leave cleanly. Anything else erodes agency over time. AI literacy is not about fear. It's about orientation. You decide when to use the tool, how to use it, what it may touch, and when it is finished. The moment you can disengage without friction is the moment the tool is working for you, not the other way around. I'm Natasha. Welcome to the Raw Frame.